In this video, we will discuss modifying assemblies. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file modifyingassemblies.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D provides many ways to make changes to your assemblies and subassemblies once they are placed in the drawing. The first thing you can do with assemblies is to select the assembly and navigate to the assembly properties. Once there, you can change the style, you can navigate to the construction tab, and you can even change the assembly type if your design does entail super elevation design. You can even select the different subassemblies right in this one spot and actually change their properties here. One thing to mention that you can change here that you cannot change in some subassembly properties is there are some additional properties to actually get values from different links within a specific subassembly. If you navigate to the Codes tab, this tab will tell you the exact codes being used with all the subassemblies attached to this assembly. If you select a specific subassembly, your go-to location for changing properties would be the Properties palette. Notice that in here you have all the parameters that we defined when we first created the subassembly. You can change the width here, and it'll automatically adjust subassemblies that are attached to that. You can even change the depths as you need to as well. Let's select these two daylight subassemblies, and let's say for our design, we actually do want to include guardrail at a steep slope. If you look here, there is an include guardrail property. Let's change this to, instead of omit guardrail, to include the guardrail. That way now, whenever we go to a steep slope, it'll actually show up with a guardrail symbol of some sort.